Just Google TOME. We have it here. So you choose the first one that says TOME, the AI powered storytelling format. Okay, so now we are on the TOME platform. After clicking the sign in button, you either choose to sign in with Google or you sign in with Apple. If you don't have those accounts, you can just go straight to your email account and then you try to enter your email account. But I want to sign in with Google, so I would sign with Google. Okay, so I'll choose another account because I wanted to have a fresh account. Okay, so I'll verify it, and then as I'm done verifying for my YouTube app, I'll have a link like this. Create your profile. You just fill in this form. Let's say I'm a student, so I want to log in as a student, and then I'll create a profile. It says my workspace. My workspace, let's say the name of my channel is Tech Solution with Nas. If you want to have more credit, this is all about having credit and sending referrals to people in order to get more credit to use. So if you have some friends that you want to share, you can share friends link here with them. That's sample template here.